Hello my dear students, welcome back to our English class of Standard 1, and today we are going to start a new chapter. But before going to the next lesson, just tell me, how do we get information about the happenings all around us in our day-to-day life? What is going on in our world? What is going on in our country, in our society? How we get all the news? Yes, there are different sources by which we have the knowledge about the happenings all around us, isn't it? TV, internet, mobile, then newspaper, all the informations, isn't it, that are going all around us every day in our day-to-day life. And my dear children, we human beings, how do we communicate with each other? We talk to each other. We using different languages to communicate with each other, to talk to with each other, isn't it? But have you ever think how animals talk to each other? How do they communicate with each other? Have you ever think? Yes, my dear children, animals also use different ways. They use different ways to communicate, to talk with other animals. Yes, and all these ways are called signals. They are having different type of signals to communicate with each other, to talk to each other. And have you heard the sound of frogs? Yes or no? No? Just listen and see on my screen. Yes, this is the sound of frog. And you know what we call it? It is known as croak. It is known as croak. So, my dear children, we are going to start a new chapter in our English course book, chapter 11, Croak. And as I told you, the sound made by frogs are known as croak. And you have listened the sound, how the frog croak, isn't it? So, this is a play. Croak, it is a play written by Hans Christian Andersen. And this is an adaptation. Adaptation means some part has been taken out from the actual play. Okay. And it is written by Hans Christian Andersen, and it has been translated by Jean Harshland. Okay. And now in this play, who are the main characters? The main characters are the frog, the owl, peacock, nightingale, and the stork. Now, what in this play, they are trying to publish a newspaper. The birds, these birds, they are trying to publish a newspaper about the animal kingdom. Now, how this concept of publishing newspaper came to their mind? See what happened. One day, some tourists were on jungle safari. While they were going inside the forest, they were roaming in the forest, some piece of paper and trash fell down from their jeep. Now, jungle safari. What is jungle safari? Jungle safari means instead of walking, you can go inside the forest or jungle in a vehicle or on the back of the animal such as elephant, or on jeep or some bus. And you can watch the wild animals very closely. And also the natural beauty of the forest. Yes, the natural beauty of the forest and the animals you can watch very closely. This is called jungle safari. So, when the tourists were on jungle safari, some trash and pieces of paper fell down from their jeep. And from that day, the concept of publishing newspaper came to their minds. And how, that we will read in this play. And I told you the main characters are the frog, the nightingale, the stork, the owl, all the peacock, all these are the main characters of this play. And we will also read how they manage, what were the responsibilities, what were the duties given to different birds, okay, and how they managed to publish the newspaper, and how the name Croak was given to the newspaper. Okay.